Bacteria thrive in NASA's ultra-sterile clean rooms. Hey everyone! On May 18th, 2025, NASA dropped a bombshell. 26 new bacterial species were found in their sterile spacecraft assembly clean rooms. Led by Professor Alexandra Rosado and Dr. Junia Schultz, an international team from NASA, India, and Saudi Arabia discovered these microbes in facilities like the one for the Phoenix Mars lander. These rooms use HEPA filters and intense sterilization. Yet these bacteria survive. Published on May 12, 2025, the study reveals these extra-tolerant bacteria form biofilms, resist radiation, and produce compounds with biotech potential, per Space.com. 7 strains were cultured during the Phoenix mission, hinting at life's resilience in space-like conditions. X posts buzz, NASA's clean rooms aren't so clean. Some joke, these bugs are tougher than astronauts. This find could reshape how NASA sterilizes spacecraft to avoid contaminating Mars. It also fuels theories about alien life. Could microbes survive on other planets? The bacteria's genes, resilient to harsh environments, may lead to breakthroughs in medicine and food preservation, per Times of India. What do these microbes mean for space exploration? Comment below, like and subscribe for cosmic updates. Thanks, everyone!